Hi, this is Lisa Crosby. Welcome to my channel. Here you'll find all sorts of videos which are very practical how-to getting started with a bunch of Microsoft technologies that I'm interested in. In particular, you'll find things about the Power Platform, Power Apps, which allows you to create your own custom business applications for web and mobile, Power Virtual Agents, which allows you to create a chatbot without any code. There's other parts of the Power Platform as well, but those are the two that you'll find here. I also make videos about Dynamics 365, the CRM part in particular, including some of the new and awesome features that are coming through there, and Microsoft Teams, and then also how Dynamics 365 and Power Platform work in Microsoft Teams. You'll find everything from little 2 to 3 minute short videos through to half-hour tutorials. Enjoy, please subscribe and share with anyone else you think might be interested. Thanks for watching.